In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Studio Ghibli filter on photos. So first, you're gonna need a ChatGPT. So install ChatGPT from Play Store and go ahead and enter ChatGPT. Now right here, what you need to do is click on the plus button, go to Photos, and just choose a photo. Let's just choose this one for example. And here you're gonna tell ChatGPT exactly that you need to turn this into a Ghibli style image. So turn this into Studio Ghibli image. Now this, I can't guarantee you that this would work. So sometimes ChatGPT might give you some sort of policy issues. So what you can do is, if it doesn't work, you can try and ask Sora and see if it works. You can maybe try and ask Quen or other AI models and see if they would generate the image for you. So for now, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I'm just gonna wait for it to load and see if it works. As you can see, for me it did actually work. As you can see, this is the image that I generated. This is a nice Studio Ghibli image. So like I said, sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't, maybe due to policy violation or something. So you can try other AI models. So this is basically how you create a Studio Ghibli filter on your images. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.